Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Season's greetings. Welcome to another 1 minute of motivation from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast. Now, I would love to work with you. If you want to come over to my calendar at ldlcall.com, book your free call. I'll be calling you back and we can see how we can take that pain and issue, eliminate it, and you can live your life on a much higher level, because isn't that what everyone wants in their life? Happiness. But first, here is today's quote. Pain doesn't just show up in our lives for no reason. It's a sign that something in our lives needs to change. Whether it's physical, mental, or just emotional, pain has no place with you. If it suddenly appeared out of nowhere, then there must be a reason why. Maybe you've hurt yourself physically, or maybe it's a little bit deeper in your mind, where it's not so visible to everyone. The question is, just what are you going to do to fix that pain and lose it? Start to address that pain today, learn from the experience, and become a much better and happier you.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.